What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you'll now be drawing a cartoon illustration of Grimace. Let's begin today's lesson at the top center of our page with a fold across the bottom of the eyes. So we start over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle, and we'll bend that back down towards the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind that fold. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, step over towards the left, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, come down, just pull that in towards the side, leaving a little overlap on the end. Let's go over towards the right and draw that same side circle, going up towards the same height, and then back in. Now you want to pull down the eyelid, starting on the left side of our circle, bend this up, and then in. Let's line up the inside over on the right, going out and then down. Now you want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, let's draw a circle. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. And we'll fill the inside of each pupil. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start back over on the left, curve this up, and then down. Now on the ends, we're going to bend the mouth, going out and then up towards the cheeks. And then we'll add a fold on the ends, stepping up, curve down and out. Now you want to open up the mouth. So from the ends, we're going to come down in the middle and then bend that up. Let's add in the tongue. Start with a point in the center, curve the left side, going up and then down. Go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the top area of the mouth in black. Now I want to add a fold underneath the mouth. We'll start back over on the left, curve this down, and then up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add those thick eyebrows. Let's start over on the left, we're going to bend this up and in, line this up on the right, bend this out and then down. Now you want to round out the ends of the eyebrow, just adding like a bracket. And then we'll close off the top with that same curve. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. Let's move over from the cheek, then bend this up and in, round up the top of the head, go across, and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. Now on the left side, we're just going to bring this down towards the arm. It's going to come down at an angle, and then bend that out to right about there. Now we're going to overlap the arm on top of the body. From here, step in, bend the arm, going out, and then up towards the wrist. And then we're going to wrap the thumb coming around. So step down, go up, bend this down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers along the outside. So we're going to leave a gap on the outside of the thumb, step out, draw an oval, all the way around, and then back in. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind. So starting on the left, draw that same sized oval, and just tuck that in, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's layer that shake in behind the hand. So from the top of the finger, angle this up and out, go on top of the thumb, go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to close off the top with a curve, coming down and then up, step down and draw that same curve. Now I want to continue these 2 lines along the bottom of the finger and thumb. Come down on either side, just pulling that in, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the straw. We're just going to line up at the ends, come in towards the center, draw a small curve. From the ends, angle this up and in towards the top. Round out the top, and I'll draw the front edge of the straw with another curve. Let's wrap that lid in behind the straw. Starting back on the left, we're gonna go up and in. Now I'm gonna go back and draw the bottom of the arm. Starting from the inside of the cup, coming down, and then up. Now I want to continue the curve of the body going out towards the hips, just underneath the arm. I'm just gonna bend this out, come down, and then pull that in to right about there. Now on the right side, we're gonna close off the side of the body. Come down, bend the body going out towards the hip. I'm just gonna round this out, come down, and then bring that in towards the same height. Now you want to leave a small gap for the legs and close off the bottom of the body. So just continue that curve going across. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side. And this leg going out and down. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Curve this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're gonna go up, and we're gonna bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we want to stop right about there. And close off the outside of the leg with another curve, going down on top of the feet. Now I want to bring the right arm across the body. Let's start on the outside. Just gonna bend the arm, coming down, and then up. Let's layer the first finger on top. So we're gonna step up, come down, round out the finger, go up and out. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind. Starting down here, go all the way around, and out. Let's do that one more time, going around, and then pull that down towards the elbow. Let's close off the top of the arm. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Grimace. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to elevate your art skills, you can join our club masterclass. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.